What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 6/19/2020, doing our Gold Rush Multi-Sport Steel City Vault. Just mix up all the names all together there. This is box break number 4. It's a draft. 3 cards, 3 people. Use random.org. Roll the dice. Whatever number comes up is what will random the list. If it does come up with 2, we'll do it 3 times. And participants are placed in based on the spot they purchased. We rolled a beautiful number 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so we got Mike T, then Tom C, then Brian B. So, Mike, you get to pick what box you want, buddy. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, I forgot to do this. Let me do this real quick while you pick what box. 5 times timestamp. 5 on the dice and the timestamp. All right, number 1. Top one it is. You're the first one to pick the top one. All right, here we go. Here we go. Card number 1. I don't know what this is. Ooh, it's a Saquon? All right, it is an SGC graded card, an SGC 9.5, bronze ink out of Origins, Saquon. So SGC is starting to get a little bit more headway, I guess, with all the backup, but even they're backed up with the grading. So Saquon 9.5 mint Saquon to 49. Very nice. I kind of like their holders a little bit better. All right. Next up. Ooh, authentic auto, it says. It's a DNA, PSA DNA. PSA DNA. Doesn't want to come out of the little black bag. There it is. Whoa, Walter Payton. Remember Pro Set when they'd have ridiculous things like this? How about a 91 Walter Payton Pro Set authenticated auto by PSA? That's pretty sweet. Ridiculous card, but pretty sweet. Literally, sweetness. Then we have the Saquon, we have the Walter Payton, we have a 9.5 coming at us. How about an Aaron Judge? Check this one out. 2018 Topps Transcendent VIP Party Aaron Judge Bunt card. 9.5. So it has a 10 on edges and 9.5. So it's a true 9.5 with a 10 mixed in there. That's a pretty solid box if you're asking me. If you're asking me, that's a pretty solid box. All right, Mike, you have the first pick. So, Sterling, I know you're all ticked off that you have the last spot, but you're probably going to get a pretty good card. I'm giving you all the seconds you need, buddy. Just send me one of those pizzas, freeze-dried, par-baked. Break 5 is up next. Dewey, Dan S., and Cam R. I believe is break 5. I'll double check it. I kind of set Random Dad Org ahead to keep it going. Yep, you're up next. All right, Mike's going with the Barkley, the Saquon. Okay. Tom, I don't know, buddy. God, I usually do good here. This is so tough because Tom is a baseball collector. Buddy likes veteran stuff, and you can't get Walter Payton's auto anymore. I got to go with the Walter Payton, Tom. And I apologize, Tom, if you watch this and I picked wrong for you and didn't take the 9.5 judge. I apologize, but I don't know. Something's telling me to pick the Payton for you, buddy. And then, Brian, you're going to end up with a 9.5 Aaron Judge. So I know you didn't like having the last pick, but I think it worked out for you. All right, that will do it. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Get it sent out to you soon.